Today we're gonna be getting some stinking stains out of the hardwood floors. So we already pre-sanded them, as y'all can see. We all saw. See these stains right here? Got a couple stains. It's sexy over there. That boy looking nice and smooth. Over here we got some stains. I need to vacuum up that dust. But stains over here on the floor. Look at that, you know a dog probably pissed on the wall right there, because it's just dark right there. Or maybe with some water leaking, I doubt it. But this floor a little dark in this hallway, but back here is like the worst. Because you got a big stain here. Stains. So you could polyurethane over this, but you would still see them stains, and I'm not trying to see them stains because they ugly. So we got some good old peroxide. Make sure it's hydrogen peroxide and not 3%, 2%, because all it is peroxide with water when you get those other percentages. And some of these stains on this floor are already water stains, so you don't want to be putting water back on the floor. Purpose.
Peroxide, check. Bags old, glove, check.
Might want to use a rag. I don't know what a rag is.
But you might want to use a rag.
Peroxide, what it'll do, it'll bring that smell out of here. It's gonna smell really bad if it's like urine, but it definitely will sting. But you just sprinkle that on there, kind of rub it in a little bit, and you let it sit, and it'll just evaporate. But we're gonna sprinkle some of this down here.
That is fine. 90 cute.
I'm just rubbing it in to record. You can see.
Yeah.
See how that's bubbling up? Ooh, it's starting to stink too.
Let me chill, too much static. I'ma get back at it. But the plan is a milli, the paper a milli, keep going way after I start. The house is a milli, sitting on a milli, no, I really wanna be on top. My people got millies and skating and billies, no, I like for real, the top. Shit, hell B, get it wild, watch. A little bit, now we all got drops.
This look like an urn. Man, that's expensive, babe. Freaking rental properties about to be our product. Like, oh, y'all got any windows? Does it look like it's changing already?
I don't know. If it don't work,
I'm gonna tell you the truth.
you won't see this video. Like,
So our alteration is tongue twisters and poems that have like the same letters in the words. Okay, this is my poem. Bike by Ava. I love to bike. So peaceful and nice. Let's go for a bike with my friend Mike.
Hey!
I got that name from the ARTT. Oh, and I got a tongue twist. Many monkeys slam socks salami.
say it faster.
Many monkeys slam socks salami.
Quicker.
Many monkeys slam socks salami.
Yeah, you got skills. Bam.
Don't forget the YouTubers.
What number coating is this?
Probably 20.
You know what?
For real.
No,
If it ain't 20,
it's probably like 5.
hell no. I did this way more than 5 times. I did it 5 times in a day.
Dang, this look way better.
Take a look at these floors. These boys are nice and smooth. But we still got some stains like this here, but we're not about to worry about it. It's like after 4 days, we sprayed a whole bunch of peroxide, and it got them up pretty good on some areas. Like it was a stain over here that's completely gone, but these didn't get all the way up. So we just gonna stain it black. But you can see what I'm doing now. It's by hand, which really suck. Come down here and scraping these edges. Not worry about that white line right there because the trim's gonna be covering that. But these little corners is what I gotta get. See, I'm down here with a 5-in-1 scraper. But these floors look really good. Look at this kitchen, man. This boy was black. That floor, man. Whew. And it's super smooth too. But these floors came out real good, man. Can't wait to put the stain on here. You know, this room was super stained up. I knew this one won't come 100%, but we just go ahead and stain them, boys.